To simply pressure wash a bike, sometimes all you need is one of these little devices. It's really simple. You just throw this thing into a bucket of water. Doesn't matter if it's dirty because it has a filter. Put the battery in, squeeze the trigger. It's a quick disconnect for the soaper, so this comes off. You just put the soaper in, and now you're ready. At this point, just throw in the tip. It's adjustable, so you could have it more pointy or more adjusted like this. And all that washing for half a bucket, so you know, it's very, very easy to use. The battery lasts for a long time, and it's friendly for any household, apartments, something like that. And it's not really strong, so it doesn't go inside the bearings. So you could even do it in your hand, but you can feel a sting, so it's definitely stronger than a normal pressure hose. But it's nice because it doesn't push through the seals and through the bearings inside the bike. So for those people that need something gentle, just to rinse wash, this will do great. This is made by EAFC. Anyways, it does a good job. It's easy as it gets for simple power washing. You just go over there with a bucket of water or with a bottle of water, and then you could wash basically anything. So link at the bottom of the video for those interested. Fairly cheap, very useful. Just pull it out of the closet. Battery is rechargeable, has a charger, everything you need in the box. Thanks for watching.